Need new wipers. You can see it's not wiping the whole windshield right there. So we'll switch them out and see how it goes. So we're going to change the wiper blades on the GTI. So we're going to put the wipers in service position. To put the wipers in service position, we start it, shut it off, and then we push down on the wipers, and then they go up, and we can actually change the wiper blades. You have to do that because the wipers are tucked under the cowl, so now we can get to them and work on them. So to change the wipers, we just push down on this little release button right here, and then it slides out. And with the new one, you can just line it back up and clickety-click, barb a trick. If it's hard to push the button down, you can get something like a small screwdriver, push that down, and then a little wiggle, and it pops right out. The short wiper blade goes onto the passenger side. There you go. Okay, we got the new wipers on. Just place those back down onto the windshield, and to get it out of service mode, we just key on. Oops, where's the key? There it is. Push it back down, and there we go. Done like dinner.